Welcome to Blossom Gardens Estate, located at Transekulu, Enugu, Nigeria. This property is developed by Enugu Housing Corporation and it's just 7 minutes drive away from Enugu Mall, and it's very close to Diamond Estates, Gov Estates, Transekulu, Winners Estates, Legacy Estates, and many other estates. This is the first solar-powered estate right here in Enugu State, Nigeria, and it is along the Enugu-onitsha Expressway. Blossom Gardens Estate is selling for 10 million naira promo price, of which the actual price is 15 million naira. Blossom Gardens Estate comes with a housing allocation, comes with a deed of assignment, and also comes with a power of attorney. All you need to do today is to call Josh Consults to book an inspection and the purchase for this particular estate. Note, this particular estate will change in price on the 31st of August. Do well to secure a plot for yourself. Thank you very much.